Hello and welcome to Consumer Tech. Today, we're diving into the best VR headsets of 2025, bringing you the latest in immersive technology. Whether you're into gaming, virtual travel, or next-level experiences, we've got the top picks for you. Stick around to find the perfect headset for your needs, and don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Let's jump in. Number 5. Valve Index. The Valve Index is a premium virtual reality headset that delivers an outstanding immersive experience for VR enthusiasts. It features dual 1440 x 1600 LCDs with full RGB per pixel, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals. With support for refresh rates of 80 Hz, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, and an experimental 144 Hz mode, users can customize their experience for optimal performance and smoothness. The field of view is approximately 108 degrees, and the headset includes fine-tuned lenses, a physically adjustable IPD, and eye relief to enhance comfort and visual clarity. The ultra-near-field, off-ear speakers provide high-quality audio without direct contact, creating a more natural sound experience. The built-in microphone further enhances communication for multiplayer gaming and VR social experiences. The Valve Index utilizes an advanced tracking system with Lighthouse 2.0 base stations, which ensures precise and responsive motion tracking. The controllers, formerly known as the Knuckles controllers, feature a thumbstick, touchpad, multiple buttons, and an array of 87 sensors that detect hand position, finger movement, and pressure. This allows for natural and detailed interactions within virtual environments. The headset is compatible with Windows 10, SteamOS, and Linux, requiring at least 8 GB RAM and a capable graphics card like the NVIDIA GTX 970 or AMD RX 480. While the Index is a high-end device, its impressive performance, comfort, and tracking accuracy make it one of the best choices for an immersive VR experience. Number 4. Pimax Crystal Light P3C9. The Pimax Crystal Light P3C9 is a high-resolution virtual reality headset designed for PC gaming and simulations. It features an ultra-sharp 2880 x 2880 resolution per eye, delivering crisp and detailed visuals that enhance immersion in virtual environments. The headset is equipped with glass spheric lenses, providing a large sweet spot for clear vision across a wide field of view. With a pixel density of 35 pixels per degree, PPD, users can expect super clear vision with minimal screen door effect. The Pimax Crystal Light supports variable refresh rates, including 72 Hz, 90 Hz, and 120 Hz, ensuring smooth gameplay experiences. Users can manually adjust the interpupillary distance, IPD, between 58mm and 72mm to achieve a comfortable and personalized fit. The headset also features local dimming technology, delivering vibrant, true-to-life colors by enhancing contrast and black levels. For efficient performance, it utilizes fixed foveated rendering 2.0, which reduces the GPU load by decreasing the image quality in peripheral vision areas while maintaining clarity where it's needed most. The Pimax Crystal Light offers versatile tracking options, including built-in inside-out tracking for easy setup and optional expansion with Lighthouse tracking for enhanced precision. Audio is handled through an interchangeable 3.5mm jack and dual microphones, allowing users to use their preferred headphones and ensuring clear communication during multiplayer sessions. In terms of pricing, the Pimax Crystal Light is available in several configurations to suit different needs and budgets. The headset-only model without local dimming is priced at $699, while the same model with local dimming is available for $799. For those seeking a complete package, the headset with controllers option without local dimming is offered at $699 and with local dimming at $899. Additionally, the headset with Lighthouse faceplate model, which includes local dimming, is priced at $899. These options provide flexibility for users to choose the configuration that best fits their preferences and budget. Number 3. MetaQuest 3S. The MetaQuest 3S is an affordable mixed reality headset that delivers impressive performance at a budget-friendly price. Priced at $299.99 for the 128GB model and $399.99 for the 256GB version, it offers a cost-effective way to experience virtual and augmented reality. It features a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor with 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The LCD display has a resolution of 1832 x 1920 pixels per eye and supports refresh rates of 72 Hz, 90 Hz, and 120 Hz, delivering sharp visuals. The headset uses Fresnel lenses similar to the Quest 2, making it slightly bulkier than the Quest 3, but still comfortable at approximately 514 grams. Mixed reality capabilities are enhanced by dual 4MP RGB cameras for stereoscopic color pass-through, allowing users to blend virtual elements seamlessly with their surroundings. Hand tracking is also supported, offering an intuitive way to interact with virtual content without controllers. For those who prefer traditional controls, the Quest 3S includes Touch Plus controllers with precise tracking and an ergonomic design. It features 6 degrees of freedom, 6-DoF tracking, allowing a full range of movement. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and stable connections. The built-in 4,324 mAh battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous use. Running on Meta's Horizon OS, it offers access to a vast library of games and applications. A notable bonus is the inclusion of Batman Arkham Shadow for free, with purchases made before the 30th of April 2025. Overall, the Meta Quest 3S strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it an excellent option for both VR newcomers and those upgrading from previous models. Number 2. PSVR 2. The PlayStation VR 2, PSVR 2, is Sony's latest virtual reality headset, designed exclusively for the PlayStation 5 console. Released in 2023, it offers a major leap in immersive gaming with cutting-edge technology. The headset features dual OLED displays with a resolution of 2000 x 2040 pixels per eye, ensuring crystal-clear visuals. A refresh rate of 90 Hz to 120 Hz provides smooth motion, while the 110-degree field of view enhances immersion. The inside-out tracking system uses 4 built-in cameras to track movement, eliminating the need for external sensors. The Sense controllers include haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, mirroring the PlayStation 5's DualSense controller. Eye-tracking technology enables foveated rendering, which enhances performance by prioritizing sharpness where the player is looking. The see-through view feature allows users to observe their surroundings without removing the headset, adding convenience during gameplay. Connecting via a single USB-C cable, the PSVR 2 is simple to set up, while its built-in motor provides subtle haptic feedback for added realism. Initially launched at $549.99, the headset has since seen price drops, making it more accessible. Despite its impressive hardware, limited exclusive titles have been a concern, though Sony is working to expand the game library. The PSVR 2 is a powerful evolution in console-based virtual reality, offering stunning visuals, precise tracking, and innovative features that enhance immersion. While the price and game selection may influence purchasing decisions, it remains a top-tier choice for PlayStation 5 owners seeking next-level VR experiences. Number 1. Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3 is a groundbreaking mixed reality headset that seamlessly blends the virtual and physical worlds, offering users an unparalleled immersive experience. Priced at $499.99 for the 128GB model and $649.99 for the 512GB variant, it caters to both casual users and tech enthusiasts seeking ample storage for their digital adventures. At the heart of the Meta Quest 3 lies the advanced Qualcomm Snapdragon 10R2 Gen 2 processor, delivering double the GPU processing power compared to its predecessor, the Quest 2. This ensures faster load times and a more seamless gameplay experience, allowing users to dive deeper into their favorite virtual environments without interruption. The headset boasts a stunning display resolution of 2064 x 2208 pixels per eye, providing crystal-clear visuals that bring virtual worlds to life with remarkable clarity. Coupled with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, the Meta Quest 3 offers smooth and fluid motion, reducing motion blur and enhancing the overall visual experience. One of the standout features of the Meta Quest 3 is its mixed reality capabilities. Equipped with high-fidelity color pass-through, users can blend their physical surroundings with virtual elements, transforming their home into an exciting new playground. This feature opens up a plethora of possibilities, from interactive gaming experiences to innovative productivity applications. Comfort has been a significant focus in the design of the Meta Quest 3. The headset features a slimmer profile and a more balanced weight distribution, making it comfortable for extended use. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit for a variety of head sizes, allowing users to enjoy prolonged sessions without discomfort. In terms of audio, the Meta Quest 3 is equipped with built-in speakers that deliver immersive 3D sound, enhancing the sense of presence within virtual environments. For those who prefer a more private listening experience, the headset also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, providing flexibility in audio options. With the new Touch Plus controllers, improved ergonomics, and haptic feedback, interacting with virtual content feels more natural and intuitive. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and stable connections, while the USB-C port ensures convenient charging and wired connectivity when needed. Battery life is optimized for extended sessions, balancing performance and longevity for a reliable experience.